it automatically translates. But imagine now, book consists of various things, right? I will just add a table here. Do you see the table on the other side? So you don't need to do anything. But the beauty is not only this. Now if you see, I will see this is the context based. So because a lot of issues comes in the Indian language are context. So now the example I have written date. Date का मतलब एक fruit है खजूर. But see how it picks the context. When I write date of August, I don't know whether we are able to read it or not. This one is too small. But in August का तारीख. So basically, one second.
Can you zoom?
But maybe you can try it out. It's an open world. So this is one thing. But imagine you already have something available ready. So हमें हमारा साल का पेज होगा. And take Honorable Prime Minister's page. Okay, these are hyperlinks, photographs, etc., etc. I open and get everything ready so that I will find more. I just did, all I did is I just copy and pasted. Nothing more than that, but ये हिंदी में अब आप इसको सेव करके डॉक्यूमेंट जैसा ले सकते हो. And not only that, instead of Hindi, I want this in Assami. So the Assami book is ready for you. You don't need to do any, and including the hyperlinks, everything got changed. And let's say, this photograph is a little small. So we have created our own, let me finish the demo. So you can do anything you want, on top of it. You can increase, decrease, you can embed the videos. Everything is available. This is in Bengal. So not only this, now we have created our own virtual keyboard. Now I'm a South Indian, so I don't know how to write Hindi. So I see how I do it. I'm sorry, I'm writing. Change it to Hindi. So this is our own Make in India keyboard. So not only this, because I'm more lazy, I don't want to write. So I will speak. And this is the world's first voice wrapper. It can handle up to 45 minutes. Basically, the browser has a limitation, as you already know. The advanced browser, which we call Google Chrome, it's a V8 engine, right? It can handle up to 12 to 15 minutes next. But here we have written a voice wrapper on top of it. It not only recognizes my language, you can speak up to 45 minutes continuously with very high efficiency. So I will just, speak something. मेरा नाम बुद्धा चंद्रशेखर. It picks everything. All I need to do is just copy it and paste it wherever I want. Okay, any language. You can do it in Kannada or in Telugu, any language. I will just do one in Telugu and just move to the next one. I have a lot of things to do the next one. నా పేరు బుద్ధా చంద్రశేఖర్. So if someone understands Telugu, maybe they know that it type exactly what I spoke. So if you have that in Malayalam, Kannada, in all languages, not only that, you can simply download this in a Word format, and you can download it in a PDF format. It is completely up to you. You have every freedom. The beauty is you don't save any of your documents. Because that's a privacy is concern. So we don't store any of the documents. You may ask the question how you train the model. Because when you are not storing. So what we did was we have requested each and every ministry, and we have collected, after approval, we have collected data and we trained all these models. So that now the model is ready, and not only that, we show you extraordinary things, when we move forward. I want to come back here. And this is a chutki. Okay, the minute you do chutki like this, right? You know what is chutki, right? It translates. The power is 1,000 pages. You just give it to the engine. You see exactly like a Xerox copy of the other side. But I will quickly show you the online document translation tool. I think due to lack of time, I will open करके रखा था. So if you give a document, MS Word document like this. Okay, so on the right hand side, you will see a source document which are made in India, and it has some centrally aligned text, background color is non-white, and a tabular structure, and it has so many images centrally aligned, underlined, and lots of emails. So this is the Xerox copy what you receive as a translated version on the other side. Not only this, the world's first in-painting technology, it takes the image, it translates, it sticks back to the same location, so that you will have the image also got translated, which even Google doesn't have. So that's the power we do. In-house, because it's a rule engine, madam. What we did, we not only created a translation engine, we have created a rule engine because Make in India is making India in all the languages. So because what is happening, this translation engine doesn't understand anything. It's just a small piece of code. So imagine a rule-based engine appended on top of it, and you write a logic saying that, these are the words, please don't change. Example, we बताऊंगा numbers. In Hindi, in Telugu, even though I speak Telugu, my mother language is Telugu, I don't know how to write numbers in Telugu. So we have written a rule engine on top of it so that it don't, change. I don't know whether you are able to see it, the screen is a little small. So this is another beautiful thing what we have created. So I would like to show you another wonderful thing. When I visited recently UP ministers meeting, they have used Anuvadini to translate foreign languages to Indian languages. मैं ऐसे बाहर जाके किसी से मिला था उधर, then I realized most of the people are not able to fill the forms because of the language barrier, because you need to fill the form in English. Why English? So that's where the thought started, and we have created a solution. Once first thing you will see, एक बार सोचिए मैं अनपढ़ आदमी, I'm an uneducated person, I can't write, I can't read, and see how I will fill the form.
First
I listen, but I'm not a Bengali, I will leave it.
Click on me to continue in
I don't know
English.
English, I will leave it.
गुजरातीમાં ચાલુ રાખવા માટે આ બટન પર ક્લિક કરો. हिंदी में जारी रखने के लिए इस बटन पर क्लिक
Uttar
करें.
Pradesh, Lucknow, SL, छोटा गाँव से, so I will click on it.
But sir, accent varies from person to person. How does it bring out correct grammatically?
Yes. You can just. Let me finish my demo, yeah.
What is the name of your project?
मुझे क्या बोलना है? Sir, here it says, आपका नाम क्या है?
Sir, is it open to public?
Yes. देखिए अभी आप क्या बोल रहे हो, ये सब आगे इसमें. So, what is the beauty of this solution is, I will just
Foreign language also?
Sir, let me finish my demo. जब आगे
आपका वर्तमान पता
मैं
क्या
सुन
है?
लिया, देखो मैं अनपढ़ आदमी हूँ, ये भी देखिए
आपका नाम क्या है?
तो ये सॉफ्टवेयर आ रही है, अब जस्ट फीलिंग बट एक फॉर्म देखिए ऐसा
अपना कौशल जोड़े.
सॉफ्टवेयर आर्किटेक्ट
अपने अनुभव का उल्लेख करें.
20 साल. I'm just, you can speak up to 45 minutes, as I said, it picks everything. अब ये तो आ गया, बट अब देखिए मैं ऑफिसर हूँ, मुझे तो हिंदी में आता, मैं क्या करूँ, बट एक बार सुन लेंगे ये क्या, what is that, I have just said. So as a uneducated person, I just fill the form.
सॉफ्टवेयर आर्किटेक्ट.
तो हो गया, समझो आपको कुछ एडिट करना है, इस पे जाएंगे, आप क्लिक करेंगे, एडिट कर लेंगे, you can resubmit, all that blah blah blah. But now I have an Indian. I don't know Hindi. अब मैं क्या करूँगा? I will put it in Telugu. और समझिए आप कन्नड़ा से और तमिल, in तमिल.
उम्र तिरंगरी சேர்க்கவும். उम्र तिरंगरी சேர்க்கவும்.
Or if you want to do it in Kannada,
மென்பொருள் ஆர்கிட்.
any language you want. So this is where we are breaking the language barriers, because what is happening, we are thinking only about this 10% people who's going to utilize the technology. But that's not the way, Honorable Prime Minister said, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas." So what about these 85% people left out? So that's where we are using this very powerful tool where they can speak. It types everything, it records everything. And on the other side, whatever language you want, you can keep it. I will just put a Chunchung language just for, fun. And then move to the next one. So if you put it in, this thing, so it will completely translate
提
everything.
及您的经历。20年。
Okay. So now I will go to the next one. called video translation. This is again another very interesting thing what we did. This is called, so here Honorable Prime Minister is talking about an internship portal which we have created where we are given 32 lakh plus internship
ऑन द जॉब
opportunities.
लर्निंग पर विशेष बल देते हैं। बीते वर्षों में केंद्र सरकार ने अपने युवाओं को
So अब ये सुनिए आप दूसरा
বন্ধুগণ, আমরা দেখেছি যে অনেক দেশই কাজের ক্ষেত্রে শিক্ষার উপর বিশেষ জোর দেয়।
Please remember,
বছরের পর
Anwar is
বছর
a
ধরে
many to many.
কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার তার
Video, audio, you
যুবকদের
made it, you did it to PPT also with animation. It translates everything as it is like a Xerox copy and give it with animation.
পোর্টালের কাজ 7-5
I'm just putting it in Gujarati. Then we will move to the next demonstration.
मित्रों, આપણે જોયું છે કે ઘણા દેશો નોકરી પર શીખવા પર વિશેષ ભાર મૂકે છે। વર્ષોથી કિંગ
But आपको ये प्रश्न आ गया रहेगा क्योंकि Indians are the best of the best brains, तो पहला प्रश्न आ जाता है most happily they are not waiting. So basically ये तो एक वीडियो लेके मैंने वीडियो सीखी है। अब देखिए एक YouTube में वीडियो लूंगा, आपके सामने इंस्टेंटली उसको ट्रांसलेट करके दूसरा कौन सा लैंग्वेज चाहिए आपको वो लैंग्वेज में सुनाऊंगा। क्योंकि what we as a Ministry of Education we decided to give the best of the best to our students, then only we can expect best of the best. अब देखिए ये वीडियो है, BBC का वीडियो है।
फिर नए तरीके से लिखना सीखना पड़ेगा यार।
वीडियो मैंने लिया है।
ऐसा जो ट्रांसलेट हो सके।
is making way for new tech.
I already put it in place so that you can. I don't want to waste your time, so I just translated this into Hindi.
करने से लेकर देश की सुरक्षा और स्वास्थ्य बुनियादी ढांचे को मजबूत करना शामिल है। भारत सरकार देश को एक संभावित क्रांति से बदलना चाहती है। अशोक कुमार दक्षिण भारतीय शहर कांचीपुरम में अपने पैरिफिल पर कीटनाशक का छिड़काव करने के लिए एक बोट का उपयोग कर रहे हैं।
Sir, दूसरा, if you understand their voices or Indian voices, क्योंकि हमने क्या किया, ये विदेश का कुछ बोरो नहीं किया, क्योंकि हमारा खुद का देश का जब बनेगा प्रधानमंत्री जी फॉरेन एसेंट में बात करेंगे, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना। इसलिए हमने क्या किया, हमारा खुद का वॉइस फ्रीक्वेंसीज भी आप created. Of course, we can even capture the voice of Honorable Prime Minister, but it is illegal, so we are not doing it. But we can exactly replicate any voice. That's what. So this also you got it right. So,
अशोक एक ड्रोन पायलट की सेवाओं के लिए $।
so this is again, all you need to do is just put the URL and change the language, whatever language you want. तो आपका वो language में आपके सामने पूरा translate होगी instantly आ जाएगा. We just quickly go to the other one. Lot of things to show. Another biggest problem or biggest challenge not getting documents, because we receive documents in like 100 concepts. Let me finish my review. So I have had. I will answer everything. तो अब आप पेज देखिए, समझिए आपके पास 500 पेजेस का एक डॉक्यूमेंट है, हिंदी में डॉक्यूमेंट, और आप उसको प्रश्न पूछना चाहते हो इंग्लिश में और तेलुगु एनी लैंग्वेज. So this is the generative AI which we have created, and this what it does is it takes PDF or doc or text file or JPEG or PPT or MP3 or WAV file or MP4 or YouTube video anything. So आप एक बार I will just demonstrate quickly on the Hindi to other languages. ये कबीरदास जी के बारे में एक कविता किसी ने इसमें अपलोड की. This is like 3 pages document about कबीरदास जी in Hindi. So now you see what happens here. In the English, it automatically generates question and answers for you, so that you don't need to do anything. क्योंकि ये इसमें किया था जब मेरा बेटा मुझे ये पूछ रहा था कि studying 3rd standard is see the next generation is very clever. ये आस में एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ के वो पूछ लेगा ये प्रश्न पूछो, तो वो पूछे यही प्रश्न क्यों पूछो? They are intelligent enough. He says, "Papa, you don't know the secret. The secret is very simple. कौन सा पैराग्राफ है उसी का क्वेश्चन आता है." Then I understood his logical thinking, critical thinking is not improving of our students because of this reason. तो मैंने बताया बेटा मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत अक्लमंद हूँ, इसीलिए मैंने क्या किया, started creating this. It automatically generates questions from various parts of it. तो अब ये तो क्वेश्चन जनरेट हो गया देखिए. अब बट इतने में इसको प्रश्न पूछूंगा हूँ. So So I will ask the question. But the document, if you remember, it's in Hindi, right? अब मैं इधर प्रश्न पूछ लूँगा. कबीर दास जी के बारे में बताइए. Oh sir, I need to do this in English. Please explain about Kabir Das. You can do anything. So now this generative AI is basically interacting with the advanced vector embeddings and retrieving the information from the Hindi document and your voice command what you have given is in English. I will give it in another language also so that you don't feel that I am cheating you. So this is the answer what you just received. अब देखिए, you can create a custom summaries etc. But I'm not going into it. But I will just do the same thing in Telugu. You can do it in any language, but I'm just saying because my mother tongue is Telugu. Now I will speak in Telugu and interact with this Hindi document. The document still is in Hindi. Kabir Das person చెప్పండి. You can try out in any language. So this is another very advanced generative AI is what we have created because this is very important because of various languages. So as running out of time, I will just quickly demonstrate. We have dictation tool, we have legal glossary, but I would like to show you one thing which will blow your mind is the speech messenger. What it means is, let's say I registered to this messenger and my mother language is Telugu, registered as Telugu, you registered as Hindi, Sam registered as Assami. Imagine I created a video in Telugu. You will listen the same video in Hindi and you will listen the same video in Assami. Whatever your registered language, वो language में instantly आपको वो सुनाएगा. That's again another beautiful thing. And we have so many. No, I don't want to go into all that. We have a code engineering, generative AI, etc. But I would like to show this too as a last demonstration quickly. So this is another interesting thing we created because images are very important part of the life. And I'm taking one of the image of Honorable Prime Minister, and this is in English. I'm translating this into Hindi. So ये image original image आप देख सकते हो ऊपर. So this is a patented technology what we have created. It not only translates, it will allow you to edit everything. That's the beauty of it, and you can save it as a JPEG or PNG, whatever language you'd like to. So this is the translated image, this is the original image. अब समझे आपको लगा कि इसमें क्या खासियत ये है कि समझे आपको लगा this want to change without using any editor anything. If you want to add a new node, you can simply add a new layer to it. I just added a layer here. ये तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया, मैं इसको क्या
ट्रांसलेशन सही नहीं है सबका के दृष्टिकोण का
मॉडल स्टिल.
सवाल यही है कि जब एआई ट्रांसलेशन की जब हम बात करते हैं तो अगर सेंटेंस कॉम्प्लेक्स हुआ तो वहां पर वो लड़खड़ा जाता है. अगर आसान अंग्रेजी है तो उसको वो कर देगा. ऊपर हुई ना.
So I request you all to please use it so that the efficiency is really. In the US it's free. You don't need to pay anything. And the timing, see, as you know, the model always needs the GPUs. As Madam was also saying, हमारे पास एक ही सर्वर है. So somehow we are surviving, we are degrading the GPU, CPU level, and we are trying again, we are putting it to GPU level, again we are degrading, and doing our best to take it forward. हमारे पास फंड नहीं है, that's a different challenge.
बहुत ही सेंसिटिव चीज होती है. अगर अर्थ का अनर्थ हो गया तो बहुत सारी चीजें बदल
ठीक कर लो.
तो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा बात करने की गुंजाइश है इसमें. मैं खुद ट्रांसलेटर हूँ, 5-6 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ और मुझे नहीं लगता कि एआई अभी ह्यूमन ट्रांसलेशन की जरूरत है आपको कस्टमाइज करने के लिए. अभी अगर गूगल में आप लिखिए कि कस्टमाइज करें तो उसको कहेगा अनुकूलित करें. अनुकूलित कोई नहीं समझेगा, लेकिन लोग समझेंगे कि अपने पसंद के मुताबिक बदलें.
See, I'm not asking you to change your preference. This is a co-pilot. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want to use it, you want to go to manual. Who am I to stop.
नहीं मैं ये कह रहा हूँ जनरल यूज की नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ कि उसको अगर हम ऑटोमेट करते हैं तो मुझे नहीं
You
लगता
can take this question and lunch, Let him finish it. Let him finish. He's not here for your questions.
Let you finish.
Let him finish. You can take it offline. बाहर जाके आप बात करें. Let him finish. नहीं, yeah, let him finish. How can we start something, we can't talk. He has to finish the lecture.
Right.
From the Bhashti as well, so please. Let's follow the process. We are also standing between lunch. And we can all obviously have a time while doing the lunch to interact with him separately. Please.
ठीक है, अभी आपको पता है 18th सेंचुरी में टाइपराइटर के साथ करते थे, तो अभी हमें मिला कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स नेशनल आर्काइव्स से, सो एक बार आपको
No, I'm telling him to stop. Let him finish. We listen to him, We've come for him, not for him.
सो मैम टाइपराइटर 18th सेंचुरी वाला एक डॉक्यूमेंट है, तो आप ये देखिए ये डॉक्यूमेंट को अभी वी आर टेकिंग एज एन इनपुट एंड वी विल ट्रांसलेट दिस. फर्स्ट वी विल एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑल दिस डाटा. तो जब आप देखेंगे ये पूरा डाटा व्हाट इज देयर इन इट, so everything you will get it. So it is not that only for the typing. Handwritten documents भी आप लेके इसमें ट्रांसलेशन कर सकते हैं. And we have lot of other tools which I don't want to go into because it's a very big list. You can go through all this. We have a video analyzer, we have YouTube analyzer, we have so many PDF components to it, etc. etc.
Sir, suppose I write one article in English and ask Google to translate into Hindi. The translation becomes bogus. It is lot of
Not yes from Google, sir. I don't know. You need to ask Google.
you as an expert.
आपको अच्छा लगेगा definitely. क्योंकि lot of people are writing the books on top of it.
सर आप इसके सारे फीचर बता दीजिए, ये डिस्कशन हम लंच टाइम में कर लेंगे बिकॉज अदरवाइज वी मे मिस सम ऑफ द फीचर्स. You please continue, sir.
I have only 15 minutes time given.
Sir, please continue.
It has lot of features, sir. I mean, आप एक बार जाके देख सकते हो. इसमें हमारा मकसद ये है कि हाई क्वालिटी ट्रांसलेशन दे, बट वी नीड योर हेल्प बिकॉज the model is to train more. So as of now, people say 90%, but I don't believe because I am the author. I know 80% आपको अच्छे से मिल जाएगा. But it's a co-pilot, you can read little here and there and you can get the desired outcome. Otherwise, everyone, I'm here for 5 to 10 minutes. आपको कुछ प्रश्न है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं.